the tinikling. Our wonderful teen dancers will be happy to show you the moves. Don't worry, they'll guide you every step of the way. Right, counting on Mayor Carlin and Father Neil. Let's see if they can keep up the fast tempo Alright, we want to give a very special thank you to Mrs. Cynthia Navarro, the talented director of Cultura International Dance Ensemble. Thank you, Tita Cynthia, truly, for your time, your passion, and dedication in keeping Filipino tradition alive through dance. And of course, a huge thank you for our amazing dancers. Give it up for the teens. Rihanna, Emerald, Krishna, Mikala, and our kids, Leah, Riley, and Mana, who worked so hard and performed beautifully for us all tonight. Please give them all another round of applause. Thank you, Cultura International Dance Ensemble. And thank you all for joining us tonight. We hope you enjoyed learning about our rich traditions and the inspiring courage of San Lorenzo Ruins. Maraming salamat po. That wraps up our folk dance performance, but the celebration is far from over. Please stay with us as we continue to enjoy this feast day of San Lorenzo Ruins. Maraming salamat po. Mary, I'll turn it over to you.